So I am a very lucky person in that I have wonderful fountain pen friends. And today I was feeling really blue and had a kind of sad day, and I came to the office to check the mail, and I had 3 packages from my fountain pen friends. So we're going to do a little unboxing. And in just so you know, in this bottle is Pilot Blue, and this just has water. And I have the ability, I have 4 packages. Sorry, 4 packages. Okay. So, in this package, I know what this is. This is for my son. This wasn't a fountain pen surprise. Never mind, it's peppermint oil. All right, and I can smell it. All right, the next one is from Bobo Olsen, all the way from Germany. And I'm pretty sure it has cool papers. Let's look. Look, it's a letter and a picture guide. Ooh, I can practice my German with really cool pictures. Einflüsse in Bildung. An impressive guide in pictures. Heidelberg du Feine. Very cool. All right, and then I have a letter here and some of my favorite paper. This is a hammered paper that I really like. Thank you, Bobo. This is from Fire Ant, and I'm pretty sure it's ink, so let's find out. Ooh, we have some Season's Greetings cartridges from Mont Blanc. We have a letter with Sailor Honey. We have a bottle. Hold on, we don't know what the bottle is yet. Okay, I gotta be smarter than the Ziploc bag. I can do it, I promise. I gotta be smarter than 2 Ziploc bags. It's a Robert Oster ink. Okay, the scissors and I can be smarter than 2 Ziploc bags. How many attorneys does it take to open a Ziploc bag? 1, but the Ziploc bag has to want to be opened. This one is Deep Purple, Robert Oster, 50747. And over here, we have something blue. Okay, I guess I'm not a very good unwrapper. Oh, yes. It's my Noodler's safety pen in blue. Okay. Now we get to super excitement. What we have all been waiting for. Special thanks to Jim Heinz and Kirk Spears, but really thanks to all of my friends, including Sinestral, who helped organize this. Sinestral 1. Okay. It's another box! Okay. There will be no breaking into the box. All right. Okay, we got stickers. Very cool. And a letter. Amber, I hope this Secretary de Flex nib and Monty Winfield pen brings you great joy. All the best, Kirk. I don't think it's a Monty Winfield, is it? I thought it was a Jim Hines pen. Let us look. Ooh, look at the case. It's a rickshaw pen case. You'll notice it looks good with the nails and the hair. Very important to match the hair. And it looks like it's sterling right here. And I believe this is a Monty Winfield. My son Byron is my photographer. I'm going to reach across. Byron, can you take a picture or show it? And then do you see the text on it? Does it say Monty Winfield? All right, and there's the top. It could be beautiful. That's beautiful. Okay, so we're going to ink this up so it unscrews. And it's got this section. Oh, let's look at the nib. Very cool. Very cool. Okay. So I'm going to unscrew. All right. So it's a regular converter. It's got a little O-ring here. So I think we should try the purple ink. Byron? Okay. So I have extra paper towels just for this occurrence. And it does say pen ink. It doesn't say shimmer. So, special thanks to Kirk Spear and his lovely wife. I got to meet them at the LA Pen Show in February. They have a son who's a cancer survivor, and I asked him about doing this nib, and he said, well, I don't know, but what a wonderful family, and I am super grateful. All right, one more shake, even though it doesn't say shake. And let's go. Ooh, this is a deep dark purple. I like deep purples. All right, we're gonna dip it in. Do, 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 do. Dun, 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 dun.
Mom, that's deep blue.
Oh, that's deep blue. That's the wrong song. Not deep purple. Oh, I was telling you again. Let's see. What is it? The name of it is Deep Purple. Yes. I like the material. All right, so I'm going to send this over so that Byron can show it off. This was the letter from Kirk. First, we're going to try this on some cheapo paper. Oh, wow. So, Byron, can you come over and stand over my shoulder to show this off? And where was that? Let me show off the card. All right, Kirk. It is amazing. I don't know how to use a flex pen really well, so it's going to require a little practice, but look at this. So on the downstroke, look at how wide it can get before it railroads. That's not a lot of pressure. So let's see, you have, but it doesn't want to do, so I have to, So start at the bottom, no, start at the top. Now that could be the ink, so let me not. So with no pressure, here it is, and it still has amazing line variation. And I asked for a super broad, stubby type nib. So let's look at it here next to the letter from Fire Ant, and I'm sure this is a Tomo River paper. Did she tell us? Shades, okay, well, purple and orange are so pretty. All right, we're gonna try it with a different ink, but I'm not sure, like I said, I'm not sure it's not the ink, and I'm not used to flexing yet. I'm not sure I'm holding the pen right. But one thing we could do, oh dear, looks like I made a mess bringing this over. Well, thank you. This was amazing, and you guys are an amazing group of people. Thank you.